Welcome to this updated guide on how to hide your relationship status on Facebook. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to keep your romantic life private on the world's largest social media platform. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Tap it to proceed. Now, you'll see a list of options. Find and tap on your profile to access your personal Facebook page. Here's where the magic happens. On your profile page, you'll notice an Edit Profile button. Go ahead and tap that. You're now in the section where you can customize various aspects of your profile information. Scroll down until you reach the Details section. Within this area, you'll find an Edit option. Tap on it to continue. In the Details section, locate the relationship information. Next to your current relationship status, you'll see a small pencil icon. This is your Edit button. Give it a tap. Now, here's the crucial step. Look for the Privacy button. It might show your current privacy setting like Public or Friends. Tap on this to change who can see your relationship status. A list of privacy options will appear. To completely hide your relationship status, select Only Me. This ensures that you're the only person who can view this information. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and tap it to confirm your new privacy settings. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden your relationship status on Facebook. Now you can enjoy your privacy while still staying connected with friends and family on the platform. Remember, you can always change these settings back if you decide to share your relationship status in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. 1 or 2, 4.